How to save and download Instagram messages on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus from AppHacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can download your Instagram messages. So now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, go to your profile section on the bottom right. Now after you're there, tap on the three lines icon on the top right, and here you'll need to go to Account Center. That's under your account. Now this is the Meta's Account Center, so make sure that you're on here. Now what you need to do is go to Account Settings, scroll down, and right there you will see your information and permission. Tap on it, and after you do so, you will see download your information right there. Tap on download your information and tap on download or transfer your information. Now choose your account and tap on next. After you do so, tap on some of your information. You can even download all of your information. Now here you'll need to select messages. So after you've selected messages, tap on next, and here you can download this information to your device or you can transfer it to a destination. So just select it and tap on create files, and it might take some time to create files, and after it gets created you can download it from right here. So it's that simple guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comments.